I know what you're probably thinking with this. Oh, we're gonna lower the Z. Nope, we're not. These are for Ashley's Challenger. And I also ordered dip, even though, you know, they paid for this plasti dip. I ordered 3 more gallons. I'm redoing this whole side. My runs, I can't take it. So I'm gonna got runs there. I got massive runs there. So I'm gonna redo this whole side, but it's not gonna be near as bad as what it was to do the whole car. I don't think the color comes up on camera as good. Like in some light it looks purple, some it looks pink, some it looks green, some it looks orange. I just don't think it's coming up on camera right, but yeah. I know what I did. On the other side, I went the whole length and did it that way. And when I came here on this side, for some reason, I did the fender, then did the door, and you can just see the massive amount of runs there from too much buildup. So I'm gonna redo this whole side. It's not gonna be a big deal, but yeah, I paid for that. But Ashley does not know that I got these. So I'm just gonna go surprise her right now. She doesn't know what iBalk is, so she's not gonna know what they are until she opens it up. Hi C10, how you doing? Haven't touched it, haven't done anything. We actually leave for Atlantic City tomorrow. Doing a little mini vacation. So anyways, let's go give her a little surprise. Hey wife, I got you a present. Yes, I did. Come here. Come hither.
Yes, why you're recording me.
Oh yeah. Here you go.
Is that the plastic dip?
No, it's not the plastic dip. If you knew what the company was, you'd know what it is already, but you don't know the company, so.
I don't know the company. Yeah. Oh, it's a lowering kit.
Yes.
Wow.
Yeah.
That's exciting.
You're gonna get low.
I want to get loud.
You're gonna drop into the flow.
Oh, yes. That's exciting.
Yeah. So these are good lowering springs. iBalk are a good brand.
Okay.
Yeah. The boy got some peanut butter before we left.
That's what he does every time he gets peanut butter. He cleans himself. Look at him. Look, can I get some more? You're just like your mother. You know that?
Curious what's going on, aren't you?
I'm sorry. Oh.
Tell her. Well, your meower's not working.
I'm sorry, babies. He's the.
What are you doing?
You're gonna make it fall over.
He said you cannot leave without me.
He does this every time because it's closer to the peanut butter door.
Oh, okay. I see your strategy. Road trip vehicle. Yep, we're taking a Z. I don't know if anybody knows, but my wife's been on a weight loss journey of her own. She is a functional health coach, so she had gut problems. So she had to put on weight to fix her problems. But if you look at her now, she's about half the woman she used to be. Not that bad. What are you down to?
Huh?
What are you down to?
126.
You skinny mini, you.
And I was 152.
You skinny mini.
I know. Look at me go.
I know. I'm down to 205. I was 220, but that's just because of having problems in the downstairs region and not being able to eat or function. Look who... Oh, yeah, look who come running. Oh, Daddy! At least one cat likes me. Huh. And I know I've promoted PLZ in the past a lot. This is not PLZ. This is a Toto. I put one in my truck and then I put one in the Scion. I like that one in my Scion so much better that I just decided to put it in here, and it takes up that space. It just looks way better and it works way better. So, alrighty, on our way we go. luxuriate. Huh? Haha, dad jokes. You can see the ocean.
I'm just disappointed by the seat. There's nowhere to put my phone.
So the bathroom's kind of nice, but I have one question. Like, have you ever taken a poop so bad that you had to call for help? So far we've just ate at the Sugar Factory, which is really good, and it's right next to us. They have a Starbucks too, so that's going to be the highlight of our trip. And there's a mall called the Playground, something like that. It's apparently all the stores are closed because of COVID. There's only like one candy store there. And then half our hotel is like closed. We just went to the second floor because they said there was a buffet or something there, and it was abandoned. It was like apocalypse kind of stuff, like nobody around. It was empty.
Where the hell would you plug? Where's the plugger inner?
The plugger inner? You mean the power outlet?
This is not.
Day 2, it's supposed to be a nice day. We slept okay. We found another defect in our room, didn't we, wifey? She found out last night.
Oh.
Okay, so the shower, this is like a ramp, kind of ramps up into here. Okay, so there's a drain right there, and the shower's right there. But she got a shower first, and that shower head was faced like back this way. When she got done taking a shower, the water had run around the back and down this ramp and pulled up right in here, and this was all wet. So then I called room service, guest services. Nobody picked up. So then I called the front desk, and they picked up, and I requested more towels because of our wet situation, and more pillows because we like more pillows. And they never came. So an hour after that, I went downstairs. I got a drink while I was down there, and the guy at the front desk gave me some towels. And he said, room service is still bringing you your pillows. So we waited. It was like 9 o'clock. We wanted to go to bed because we're old folk. So we went to sleep, and right as I dozed off, they knocked at the door at 10:30. So it was like 2.5 hours from the first time I requested. They brought us pillows, and they brought more towels, so we got a whole bunch of towels, so that's good. But we're going to walk to Starbucks this morning. We're going to get workout in, and honestly, the beach looks pretty nice here. I remember I've been to Atlantic City, but it was a long time ago, and I don't remember the beach being that nice, but it looks well groomed, and it's not busy like Ocean City is. So we're going to go check that out. So the mall on the Boardwalk used to be a really nice place, and COVID just killed it. There's only like 3 stores in there that are open, but you go from that mall and you go like into town, you go like 2 blocks, there's the Tanger outlets, and there's a whole bunch of stores there, and they're all open. So that's probably the better place to go if you come here.
Oh, hey.
So Hard Rock Hotel and Casino seems to be the place to be. And then for ice cream places, Julie's Pink Ice Cream is what it was called. And it's like a little hole-in-the-wall shop. They gave her diabetes in a cup.
Oh, they sure did. Everything I wanted.
They layered that thing with peanut butter, like fudge, and peanut butter, and Reese cups, and ice cream, cookie dough ice cream, and Reese Pieces, and M&Ms, and more. It just,
in a thing.
yeah. And she devoured that. I had a waffle cone, and it was really good. This was good. They give you what you pay for. It was cheap there too. It's like $11, and hell, we ate at home and paid more than that for ice cream. And for the books, I still don't like the valet thing. She requested my car. We went down to get it, and the guy, I pointed at a Nissan and walked up to the guy, and he goes, "Oh, the Nissan yours?" I said, "Yes," and he handed me the keys. Anybody could have walked up and said, "The Nissan's mine," and then he probably would have just handed him the keys. I'm like, don't we have to verify or something? Like, the heck? Look at this delightful cupcake. Huh? How was your supper?
It was good but little.
Yeah, well, we had a lot of ice cream earlier, so
It was perfect.
Yes. I haven't really been lugging the camera around with us this whole vacation. This is our last full day here, so maybe I'll take the camera with us. We're going to Hard Rock to eat. I'll show you the inside of that place. It's actually really nice. And then we're going to the beach at the Hard Rock because they have a beach bar and everything. And then she doesn't like to lay in the sand, and they actually have a deck she can lay on if there's seats. And then we're gonna go to Rich's Chris Steakhouse, and then we're going further down the boardwalk. We haven't been yet, so we'll get some video today. We're eating really healthy on this vacation, so
See those lights? Like I looked them real quick. They look like they're testicles, like you know, in the car, like truck hags. You know, them balls that hang over a truck hitch.
yeah.
I'm thinking a little perverted, but that looks like you remind me of.
Hey, look,
Nonsense.
we got go on vacation to have a good time, and I can't get my wife's mind out of the gutter. Okay, can't even enjoy myself. I gotta watch her the whole time. Go to the beach
You are.
with my beach. So the Hard Rock beach is down there, and you can see it's always packed. Down here is the regular beach. There's not that many people, but there's no bathroom and there's no bar down there. So, and I had a couple of drinks down there, so I'm feeling good. We're going out to eat. We're going to Rich's and Chris's.
No, Ruth Chris. I think it's Chris.
Ruth
Steakhouse.
Chris. Why is it two names?
Because it's a husband and wife.
Ruth Chris Steakhouse, but it's like Ruth's with like apostrophe S, Chris without it. I don't understand. That's where we're going after this. They called and confirmed. Look at my wife in her little bathing suit. Look at you.
I know, look at me.
Oh my God. Your boy's hungry. Wife's making me do a photo session. We just did like 5 pictures.
Whatever.
Because
Leave me alone.
the right side wasn't good for her, so the left side was, so she didn't smile right on her right side, so that we had to take more pictures on the left side. I'm like, I'm fine, we're done.
Whatever.
Photo session's over.
Whatever.
We're done.
Oh my God.
I'm about to attack you.
Yeah, these seagulls are hit me. I dodged one earlier. It's scary. That's fine.
Pretty easy walk. Let's see what they got to eat. Our table is ready.
There's you feel my butter. Like trying to do this.
Gelato, my body didn't agree with it. My wife had a mixed drink and she didn't even get tipsy, so we're just tired from walking the boardwalk. We walked it every day. How many steps we get in today?
I'll have to check my phone.
Check it. How many?
Oh no, close. Okay, we got 23,000 steps in.
Oh my God.
But I did an hour before you, so you.
Way to go.
So I got 23. But yesterday we got 24.
Yeah.
So.
I ain't made for this kind of cardio. I'm a fat kid. Huh. Leaving this morning. We're going to get some Starbucks, me and the wifey, and then we're headed out. They better not have put a scratch on my Z. I'm gonna be mad. It was still clean. It must be an indoor parking garage because it rained one night. They brought it out for us. It was still clean. It's nice. Everything come out okay? Yeah, there it is.
That kid's getting it again.
Yeah.
He'll know who it is.
Is Mr. Brian White down here?
Yeah.
Hi.
Hi! Hi! They don't care. Come feed me. You excited? What? He's excited? He's the end of the trip. Come here. Go see Daddy. What? Come see Daddy. Hey. Somebody come see Daddy. Come here. Come on. Come here. Oh, my girl. Oh, yes. You come here. You want to say bye-bye to the people? You say bye-bye?